PMST WAVE, the newest 3-in-1 multifunctional physiotherapy machine, combines efficient Magneto+shockwave+infrared therapy. It is one of the best choice for multi-use in clinic. The Physio Magneto Super Transduction PMST is designed to treat pain for neuromuscular and joint skeletal condition. The flexible holding arm can make your hands free. It has two different modes, NT mode and ST mode. Combination of deep and shallow promote the repair of cells and tissues. Infrared therapy with 620 nanometer, 660 nanometer, 940 nanometer is a light-based method to treat pain and inflammation in various parts of the body, promoting cell natural repair. Meanwhile, Physio Magneto plus infrared therapy can work together. Shockwave is a traditional solution for orthopedics and physiotherapy. The powerful wave causes deep cell stimulation that releases growth factors responsible for tissue regeneration and the initiation of healing processes in the damaged tissue. Magnetotherapy, infrared therapy, and shockwave therapy can be standalone therapy. It is the perfect solution for acute and chronic musculoskeletal pain treatment.